Hi, in today's video we are going to check out what's inside CineTitles pack. So first thing you're going to see after unzipping the pack is 7 folders and a PDF file. The PDF file is self-explanatory. It is the written version of what I'm going to tell you throughout this video, so if you do not want to hear my voice, you can just read up on it. Now let's go and see what's inside the folders. CineTitle pack is compatible with 3 main Adobe softwares: After Effects, Premiere Pro and Photoshop. Inside the After Effects folder, you are going to see the AEP file that contains all the titles. All you need to do is open it in After Effects. Now you can see that all the titles are inside this folder, and whichever one you want to use, just double click on it and you can start customizing based on your preference. You can change the font, you can change the colors, and even the badges. Customization is the name of the game when it comes to CineTitle. So now let's go and check on the Premiere Pro version. In Premiere Pro, all the titles are in Mogert format so that they can easily be used inside Premiere Pro. To do so, I'm going to select them all and drag and drop them inside Essential Graphics panel. Okay, now here's the footage that I'm going to work on. So I'm going to choose this title and drag and drop it into my timeline, and here it is. Now if I decide to change anything about this title, I can do it here inside Edit panel. Again, everything is customizable. Now I'm going to change the header into green, why not, and change the title into blood red. Yeah, that looks much cooler. And here you can change the font and the size of the text easily. You can also come down here and change the badges if you want. All you need to do is click on this icon and replace it with any image you have in your mind for your project. Now let's go and check the Photoshop. Oh, spoilers. Yeah, here. Okay, inside the Photoshop folder, you are going to see the Photoshop version of the PSD files, obviously. All you have to do is open any one you want inside Photoshop. I have chosen title 4 and here. And as you can see, you can change everything here in layers. For example, I'm gonna change the background. It's California Dream, so I'm going to choose a picture of myself dreaming about California. Copy, paste, and I'm going to move the text a bit over here so it's more dreamy. Thinking about California, or maybe dreaming about California. Also, if you want, you can, I don't know, change the film grain, turn it on or off. You can change the text, change the font, anything. Okay, next we are going to check the posters folder. All the same titles, but this time in vertical format. They are great for your movie posters or your social media. And it's again the same deal. All the layers are customizable based on your preference. Next up, bonus folder. Inside bonuses, you have 2 folders. First is the film grain in MP4 format so that we can use it in any project you're working on. Inside any editing software you prefer. It's as easy as that. And inside the other folder, you are going to see some film credits in PSD format that you can change and customize based on your project. Now let's go and check out the next folder, which is going to be film badges. Again, film badges are in PSD format and they are neatly organized in folders. You can open them, check and uncheck them, and if you want, I don't know, the DTS one or the 4K one, just uncheck all the others, select this one and export it. Finally, it's the fonts folder, and it's as simple as that. All the fonts we have used inside this pack. So if you have any trouble opening any of the titles, you can easily install these fonts on your system and resolve it. On Windows, go to the settings and search for fonts, then drag and drop all the fonts inside the panel. On Mac, you should search for font book, open it and drag and drop all the fonts inside that folder. And that's it. It's CineTitle pack for creatives like you. I'm sure you're going to do some amazing things with this pack, so go on and have fun with it.